Okay, so question 8 says the factors of 11 sum to 12. Write another number whose factors sum to 12. So the factors of 11, well, 11 is a prime number, so the factors are 1 and 11. And if we sum these factors, we add them together, 1 plus 11 equals 12. So that's why the factors sum to 12. And we're asked to choose another number whose factors sum to 12. So when we start deciding, we need to think about the factors of a number. Any number more than 12 is going to have a factor of itself, and therefore it's going to be bigger than 12. For example, 15 has a factor of 15, which is bigger than 12. So we know straight away that our number is going to be less than 12. So we can choose our numbers here between 1 and 12. It's got to be less than 12. It can't be 11, so that leaves us with our numbers 1 to 10. So we're going to choose a number between 1 and 10. We're asked to choose a number whose factors sum to 12. If we think about prime numbers all have a factor of 1 in themselves. So 11 is the only prime number that can sum to 10. So we're going to rule out our other prime numbers. Just to remind ourselves, our prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 we've already done. So it can't be those numbers. So we're going to make a list now of the numbers that we're left with. So 1 just has a factor of 1, so we won't bother with that. 2 is prime, 3 is prime, so we could have 4. 5 is prime, we could have 6. 7 is prime, we could have 8, 9, or 10. So these are the numbers that we're left to choose from. So let's take a look at the factors. So the factors of 4 are 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. So the factors are 1, 2, and 4. If we add those together, 4, 5, 6, they add up to 7. So that's not adding up to 12. The sum isn't 12. Let's look at 6 now. Our factors of 6 are 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. And if we add these factors together, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They do indeed sum to 12. So the other number whose factors sum to 12 is 6. So the answer there is 6.